Morning everyone, my name is Mandan Haldar and my roll number is 20CS10063. So in this video we'll see about the RPM of a DC motor. So here we have our motor shield. This is the DC motor. That in the top left corner you can see there's the arduino. In the bottom right corner there's the terminal, and here we have some logic gates. Now we'll work on the upper DC motor, that is channel A. The input 1 and 2 and also the output 1 and 2 are related to the channel A. Okay, so now let's move to the source code. Here some long set of codes are written previously. We'll just delete it and write our own code. So let me write the code. So we know that the speed in RPM is proportional to the voltage, and which in turn is proportional to the PWM value. So the speed in RPM varies with the formula speed equals to PWM divided by 255 into maximum speed. Now for better accuracy we must keep the PWM value less than 250. For now I am just keeping it at 100. So we are writing the codes in the setup function. I am adding comments beside the codes for simplicity so that everyone can understand. Now we are moving on to the loop function. Here just a small bit of code. And here we are done. So let's build this. We are finding that's an error, so let's fix it real quick. I actually missed one sentence. Never mind. We still have an error. Yeah, there should be comma. Sorry. One last time. Yeah, it's fine. Completed successfully. So let's run the animation. I'm zooming in. You can see that the motor is rotating. It's rotating a bit slowly, and after some time it will come and settle to some value. This is taking a long time, so let's increase the PWM value. I'm making it 200. Let's say this time. I'm running the animation. Yeah, it's better now, quite fast. So its speed is increasing. It crossed 30, crossed 32. It will settle at around 35. Let's see. 34.6 now. Yeah, 35 now. It's not increasing much now. More or less it has settled at 35, or yeah, 35.1 last. Yeah, so alright. Thanks a lot for watching this video.